Hello all, welcome back to Sri Sai Tech Edu YouTube channel, Read Lead Success. I am dealing with the subject Network Analysis and Control Systems. Already module 1 to module 4 I have uploaded in my channel. If you have missed out, please do watch it. In this video, module 5, Root Locus Technique. In the previous video I have done one of the topic. Today in this video I am doing a small topic, which is the construction of root loci. In previously I have done the introduction and root locus concepts in the previous video, part 1. In part 2, in this video I will do construction of root loci. It is a very small concept. It is a continuation of this, how construction is done. Then rules for construction of root locus, I will do one more video. But in this video I am doing construction of root loci. For the basic feedback system shown in this figure, this is a basic feedback system. It is a closed loop system. No, the characteristic equation is what? 1 plus g of s into h of s equals to 0. I have told you this many times. The open loop transfer function g of s into h of s is in the factored form. Let how is g of s and h of s is written is k into s plus z1, s plus z2, so on by s plus p1, s plus p2. Means this z are what? Zeros, and these p's are what? Poles. See, in a plane there will be roots, that is poles, as well as zeros present. P is poles. In numerator z means zeros. K into s plus z1 into s plus z2, so on by s plus p1 into s plus p2. So k into, how we can do it is in the form of product of sum. So it is in the product of sum form. Okay, I is equals to 1 to m s plus zi. So I equal, let it will be z1, z2, z3, and product of sum j equals to 1 to n s plus pj, in j place in the place of j 1, 2, 3, so on, and g of s into h of s equals to minus 1 according to evens. In the root locus concept we have seen, according to evens, even has told that g of s into h of s equals to what? Minus 1. So mod of g of s into h of s equals to what? 1 we have seen in the last concept, last video itself, root locus concept. So angle is what? Angle of g of s into h of s plus or minus 2q plus 1 into pi. And so g of s into h of s is what? This. So this can be written as equals to 1, no? So k will be equals to what? The s plus poles will be in the numerator and z will be in the denominator. Just this goes this side, right? So k value you can find like this. Then summation I equals to 1 to m angle s plus zi minus summation j equals to 1 to n angle s plus pj equals to what? See, angle of g of s into h of s. What is the g of s into h of s? We get what? This as this is the one is the equation. As angle numerator by denominator, what we do? We minus them, no? So minus this and this, summation of this and this, you will get what? Plus or minus 2q plus 1 into pi. Q will be equals to what? 0, 1, 2. Understood? Then an exact method of drawing the root locus is to locate a number of points in the S-plane where the phase angle criterion is satisfied and to draw a smooth curve passing through those points. The value of k at any point S0 on the root locus can be found out by using the magnitude criterion. There is a phase criterion and magnitude criterion. The points in the S-plane will need to be passed so that it becomes a curve, and the value of k at any point S0 is nothing but is the root locus that can be found using what? Magnitude criterion. Then k is equals to, we have already got this S0. Why? Because k we have written s plus pj, but if you want at particular point, that is S0, if you consider S0, if you consider, then product of phasor lengths from S0 to open loop poles means phasor lengths from the S0 to the open loop poles by product of phasor length from S0 to open loop zeros. This meaning is that, Okay, an approximate sketch of the root locus can be obtained by following certain rules called rules for construction of root locus. This approximate root locus sketch is very useful in visualizing the effects of variation of system gain K, the effects of shifting pole 0 locations and bringing in a new set of poles and 0. Nothing but there are some rules to draw the construction of the root locus. So it is very useful in visualizing the effects variation of system gain K by shifting pole 0 locations and bringing new set of poles and zeros. What we can do in root locus, main thing is that using some rules we can construct the root locus using poles and zeros, and it is very useful. Why? Because we can visualize the variation of the system gain K, and we can change the effects of shifting what pole and zero locations will be there. No, that can be shifted into a new set of poles and zeros. We will see the rules in the next video. For now, I am stopping the video till the construction of root loci is done now. In the next video, I will do rules for the construction of root locus and some problems, so that the first chapter of fifth module will be done, that is root locus technique. Thank you. From Sri Sai Tech Edu YouTube channel. Read, lead, success. Keep reading.